Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Google search history permanently. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Privacy is more precious than ever. Our browsing history leaves trails of data that can be aggregated to from detailed profile of our interests, habits, and identities. This personal data live on serve around the world out of our direct control. So in this video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Google permanently. It's so simple. So first we have to open our Google. Now you can go to your search history by tap on the upper right corner on your profile in here. There is an option search history, you can just tap on that. Here's all your search history on your Google. If you want to delete all of this permanently, you can just tap on delete in here. There is an option delete all time, you can just tap on that. You can tap on next. Now tap on delete. So now your search history on Google has been deleted. It's a simple right, so that is how to delete Google search history permanently. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.